আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি মারুফ। আমি বাংলাদেশি। আমি বিভিন্ন মার্কেট প্লেসে ওয়েব ডিজাইনের উপর কাজ করতেছি। আমি নতুন একটা চ্যানেল তৈরি করেছি যার নাম দিয়েছি ওয়েব টেক অ্যানালাইসিস। Basically, I have created this channel in order to help those people who are very eager to know about tech and want it as a profession and want to earn huge and huge dollars. So not fun, okay? Though I am Bengali, I can easily create all tutorials in Bangla, but you have to talk all the times with several clients, with several marketplaces in English language. So I think you need to be expert in English always. But don't worry, I will use very common words all over the tutorials. So if you want to learn hidden tips and tricks, just follow me. By the way, it is my first video. Okay, you can see, and web tech analysis is my channel name. You can simply go to YouTube and write my channel name here and search. You can easily gather me. Okay, today is up to now. I will share all web hidden tips and tricks. Basically, I am expert in WordPress. I will serve all the people who want to know about local server and live server. Okay, today is up to now. Tomorrow I will discuss with a vast hidden knowledge. So bye and take care.